In this tutorial, I am going to show you how to fix Windows 11 computer keep freezing. Sometimes it becomes very important for you, so don't forget to watch full video. Your Windows 11 computer may keep freezing for several of issues. You have to fix all these things. Now let's get started. Go to search. In search type CMD. Right click on command prompt. Click on run as administrator. Click on yes. In command prompt type dism.exe/online/ cleanup image and /restore health. This will clean up system image file and restore an healthy system image file. Now hit enter. This process will take a little long time. After completing this process, you need to restart your computer. Again, in search type CMD, right click on command prompt and click on run as administrator. Click on yes. In CMD type SFC, scan now. It will scan all system file and it will recover the corrupted file from the good health file stored in recovery partition. Now hit enter. After completion of this process, you need to restart your computer. In restart time, it will restore the healthy system files against the corrupted files. Again, go to search, type CMD, right click on command prompt, click on run as administrator, click yes. In command prompt type CSK DSK, check disk, C drive, system drive, /F for fix, /R for recover. It will check your disk and fix the bad sector or repair the storage area. Now hit enter. Check the next time the system restart, Y for yes, and this volume will be checked the next time the system restart. Close command prompt and then you need to restart your computer. Click on start menu, click on power and then click on restart. Now the next step, right click on start menu, click on run. In run type temp and click on OK. You will find lot of temporary files here. Press Ctrl A to select all and press Shift Delete to delete all temporary files permanently. Click on yes. Now close File Explorer. Again, right click on start menu, click on run. In run type %temp and %. Now click on OK. Here you will find lot of user temporary files and you need to delete all temporary files. The same way, press Ctrl A and then Shift Delete and then click on yes. It will delete all temporary files. Close File Explorer. Now next step, click on Start menu, click on Settings, click on System on left pane, scroll down, click on About. Here you will find Advanced System Settings. Click on Advanced System Settings, close Settings, click on Advanced tab and under Performance you will find a Settings button. Click on Settings. Here in Visual Effects, Adjust for Best Appearance is selected. Now select Adjust for Best Performance. Now click on Apply and then click on Advanced tab. Here you will find Virtual Memory, the paging file. Click on Change button here. Here just click on Custom Size. Select the recommended size, initial size 1330 MB and the maximum size must be below space available. I am selecting 2 times from initial size 2660. Now click on set and then click on OK. The change you made require you to restart your computer. Now click on OK. Click on apply and then click on OK. Click on OK again. I'm going to restart later. Click on restart later. To restart the computer, click on start menu, click on power and then click on restart. After restarting the computer, now next step, go to search. In search type disk cleanup, right click on disk cleanup, click on run as administrator, select your system drive, C drive and then click on OK. Disk cleanup utility is calculating how much space you will be able to free on C drive. Here in disk cleanup utility, select all types of junk files and then click on OK. And are you sure you want to permanently delete these files? Click on delete files, and this cleanup is cleaning and freeing up available spaces. Now next step, right click on start menu, click on settings. In left pane, click on apps, click on startup. You need to disable startup apps as much as possible except Windows Security startup app. Again click on apps and then go to installed apps. And from here, you need to uninstall unnecessary apps that you have installed on your Windows 11 computer. Click on three dot icon and then click on uninstall and click on uninstall again. In this way, uninstall all unnecessary installed apps from your Windows 11 computer. These are all steps to fix Windows 11 computer keep freezing. This is all for today. Hope this tutorial is helpful for you. Keep watching for next tutorial. Thank you very much.